If you create and sell your crafts on Etsy, you can use Studio to create custom designs for products you sell. Let's create a design for a baby grow. To start, let's use these cute animal face designs I downloaded from Creative Fabrica, which I have uploaded to my Uploads folder in Studio. Add the graphic to the canvas. Let's customize the design by adding some text and a few additional graphic elements. Share and download your design when you're done. Don't forget to turn on Remove Background if you need your design on a transparency. Remember, anything you create in Studio can be used personally or commercially. The only limitation is you can't just take a single asset on a plain background and sell just that. You can find more information on licensing, including a video, in this menu. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.